This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept boolean array from index to index and the boolean value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the boolean array. It has 5 boolean values. Then I am displaying the boolean array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing boolean array and from index as 0, which is this position. From index is inclusive and to index as 4, which is this position. To index is exclusive and value to be filled as false. What this fill method will do is it fill the boolean array content with false in this range. After fill method is called, I am displaying the boolean array content and here you can see the output. This range of values are filled with false. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.